This is the large raindrop wedge, the large raindrop wedge. It's a little tongue twister. I like this stone. I like the shape of this stone. It's going to give you all kinds of options. You can do some nice separating and pulling away from the bones, from the spine with this stone. It gives you a point so you can do absolute trigger point work and allow your hand to be completely relaxed as you do it. You can do cross fiber with it. You can do the massage with it because it's nice and smooth. You have nice curves on it to be able to work those curves of the body and still get right in there on those points that's challenging the client. You can work scapula with it, both subscapularis and serratus. You could even lift that scapula and just let it disappear. The insertion of the rhomboids. It's a great massage stone because it's like a bar of soap. It'll just work in your hand so gently. It's going to feel nice in the client's hand as well. A cool stone going down the arm, not a cold one, a cool one. And just placing it in the hands.